Now, the most accurate weather forecast in South Texas with Chief Meteorologist Dale Nelson.
Hi everybody, welcome back. I hope you're enjoying this Sunday indoors, as outside pretty miserable. Just a light rain, primarily drizzle that's not being detected by the Doppler radar here, but you can see again sprinkles in the area, heavier activity out in the Gulf where low pressure has formed, giving us the north winds all day. Rainfall amounts heaviest along the coast, 1/4 inch at the Naval Air Station, but only 5/100 officially at the airport as we continue to add to our monster totals for the year. Right now, temperatures warmest along the coast by a wide margin, 60s, 64 in Port Aransas and Naval Air Station. It's only 54 in George West and 53 in Hebbronville, so a big difference across the coastal bend. We have these northerly winds that are strongest near the coast, but they've lessened from yesterday. Future tracker shows the north winds will continue to slow down through morning at only about 4 miles an hour, so temperatures will settle into the upper 50s. Well, what is this? This is an Arctic front coming in tomorrow evening, and it's going to blast through the area with sustained winds of 25 to 30 and gust over 40 miles an hour. The gale warnings will have to be issued in the offshore waters again for the second time in a week on Tuesday morning, with winds blowing at 20 to 25 miles an hour and temperatures dropping into the upper 30s. We'll see wind chills down in the low 20s here. So tonight would be a good time to find all the winter gear that you have and then some for the kids off to school on Tuesday, because they're certainly going to need it. And then on Wednesday morning, it's still on the windy side. That's the only thing that saves us from a freeze is the winds blowing here Wednesday morning. By Wednesday afternoon, they're still up to around 15 to 20. So strong overrunning taking place right now. Southwesterly flow aloft, northerly wind at the surface. Here is our frontal system that's developing. The one that went through a couple days ago is stationary in the Gulf, and this low is causing the rain out there along the coast. But here is the cold Arctic air that's going to come in behind this front tomorrow night. It's only 19 degrees right now in Bismarck, North Dakota, and 25 in Denver. So that cold air is going to continue to surge southward. It's made it into Amarillo, where it's 37 around this upper level low. There's the southwesterly flow that didn't give us much in the way of sunshine this weekend. We had a little bit here yesterday, which took the edge off the Canadian air, but now we're getting reinforcing very cold air straight out of western Canada, actually north central Canada, and that's going to be coming south and bringing the coldest temperatures here since the 17th of January. So that's back when we got down into the upper 20s. We're not going to get that cold. By the end of the week, though, the jet stream flattens out, and that means our temperatures go back up. So here's a look at the future tracker. Again, we're just going to see light rain and drizzle overnight and throughout the day tomorrow. Not much with the front as it blasts on through the region. Again, we'll pick up a few showers here and there. Now, the rainfall amounts, again, we talked about it not being a whole lot, anywhere from a few tenths to perhaps a quarter to a half inch of rain. Temperatures will be steady here in town around 60 degrees through midnight with northerly winds. Temperatures right now 37 degrees up in Amarillo. They're going to go down into the teens before this week is over. For us, we're going to go down to about 33 degrees here on Wednesday morning, but in the short run, 58 and 63. Falling temperatures late tomorrow down to 39 here Tuesday morning. That's deceptive because the wind chill is going to be in the low 20s. 48 for the high with the sun coming out Tuesday. And while the sun will be out taking the edge off the cold air, I'm looking at 4 nights in a row. Tuesday morning, Wednesday morning, Thursday morning, and Friday morning, all in the 30s. Inland areas west of the city could see a light freeze here Wednesday morning.